My name is Jay Lee. I'm 22 years old. I've been on the Skinny Shot now for about 9 months, and my story honestly has been very successful with the Skinny Shot, and my life has changed with it. I've lost about 56 pounds, and then I still have about 20 more to go that I'd like to lose. I went through like a really traumatizing part in my life where I was like really depressed. I kind of went to like eating food as like my comfort. It was helping me kind of like get through the hard times. So I gained a lot of weight. Like I used to be like 130 and I went up to like 200 pounds in that time that like a lot of stuff happened in my life. And so I was just like, it started getting to the point I just didn't want to get ready. I didn't want to go out with my friends. I didn't want to take pictures. It was just mentally draining me. So I was just like, it was just time to like just do something about it, because I was like working out and like trying to eat, but it just wasn't pushing me to that point where I was okay, like I'm losing weight and I want to keep doing this. But like the semaglutide made me want to like stay losing weight. Yes, I definitely do recommend it. Even if you don't have issues losing weight, I just think it's very great and easy. For me, I just didn't experience a lot of side effects like other people may experience. I would experience like the nausea on that first or second day of the injection, but after that, my appetite was just very minimal. Like I just didn't get hungry. I didn't want to go out. I don't really like drinking that much alcohol anymore. It's not that great feeling afterwards when you indulge a lot of stuff when you know you just don't want to no more.
I was gonna say you don't drink anymore.
No, like I tend to be now like the DD voluntarily.
And do you feel more confident now? Like you said,
Definitely.
You didn't feel like taking
pictures,
going out with your friends.
Definitely.
Now you like it?
Yeah, like I like going out with my friends now, like taking pictures, selfies, taking pictures of my daughter. I think was one thing too that I wouldn't take pictures with my daughter because I would just be so insecure, and now I'm just like, oh, come here, like take a picture of me.